Hi guys!
Hi, Leo.
Why so sad?
We need to deliver all these books to school.
And the car is broken. I can help you. This year, children won't go to school. There's a fire! I've got to call PJ Masks! I'll leave the books here. Gekko, Catboy, the school is on fire! Jump in! We need water. We'll put out the fire from the top.
I'll climb up the side of the building.
Good job, Gekko. We need more water. I'll take a bigger bucket. Catboy, jump! Hurrah! We did it!
Well done.
Leo, where are the books? They're here. Great! But the school needs to be repaired.
We'll do it tomorrow.
Would you like to see more interesting videos? Choose one now. Maybe this, or this, or this one, or this? Choose quickly before they disappear.